Hey guys, my name is Emil and you are watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight. Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix a problem where when you speak into your microphone, you can hear your own voice, okay? So basically it's a very simple fix, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here. You can see your speaker sign. If you don't have your speaker thing here, the speaker icon, you can click on this arrow and it should be here, okay? So you're going to don't left click, right click and open sound settings, okay? So once you open, this window should pop up, okay? And on your right, you can see it says related settings. You are going to go into sound control panel. Click on that, okay? And you have this little window, okay? It'll pop up. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your recording devices. As you see, my microphone is here, okay? So I'm going to double click on that, okay? And you can see here, if you go to the listen tab, you can see an option here that says listen to this device. If you're having the problem, this thing will be checked, okay? So just uncheck it, click on apply, click on OK, and the problem should be fixed, okay? So I hope that helped you. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And yeah, I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.